Now we are going to draw the views of this figure. Well, more or less. Well, we draw the three directions, and we must choose the direction from which we can better see the figure. In this case, it's not so simple, but we will choose this because we can see an L shape. From view, side view, top view. We will draw a cross. And this is the front view, this is the right side view on the top view. What can I see from the front view? Something like this, an L shape and a little square. As this is the right side view, we draw the right side view on the left. Right side view on the left, so the front view here. I draw an L shape. With this L shape is this little square is this. I extend the lines, something like this. Oh, and this one, I was forgetting this. Yeah, now from the top I can see this and this, so weird shape. Let me see the front view, we draw it here, the top view under the front view. So I would do something like this. This. From the top we can see a rectangle, and this shape. Right. Now we will draw the side view. I can see this rectangle, this little square, a rectangle. So I do this, and look. This is this. And this is this. This is this. We are done with that.